Hey, what's up everyone? It's Justine. Okay, so you know how I'm always looking for the coolest new tech to play with? Well, I have found something that is seriously going to blow your mind. We're talking about AI video tools, and they are completely changing the game. For years, making a cool video meant you needed a fancy camera, complicated editing software, and a ton of time. But now, thanks to artificial intelligence, that's all changing. It's like having a Hollywood movie studio right on your laptop, and you are the director, the editor, and the special effects artist all in one. It's insane. Imagine you have an idea for a video. Maybe a drone flying over a futuristic city, or a cute cat wearing a tiny superhero cape. Instead of spending days trying to film and edit it, you can now just type it out. That's right. You write a sentence, and a powerful AI tool brings it to life as a video clip. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now, and one of the most incredible tools leading the charge is Runway Gen-2. Alright, let's unbox what Runway Gen-2 is all about. Think of it as your ultimate creative toolkit for video. It's not just one thing. It's a whole suite of amazing features that let you create and customize videos. The main headliner is its ability to turn your words into video. You type a description of a scene, and the AI generates a short video clip based on it. It's the feature that gets everyone so excited. But wait, there's more. You can also upload a photo and watch Gen 2 bring it to life. You can animate it, adding subtle motion to the clouds, making water ripple, or a Ken Burns-style slow zoom. It's called image to video, perfect for making still photos feel dynamic and alive. Here's a quick list of favorite features. Text to video. Just type what you want to see and it creates it. Image to video. Upload a photo and add motion. Motion brush. Paint motion onto specific parts. Camera controls. Pan, tilt, zoom, roll. Ready to make some magic? Getting started with Runway Gen-2 is super simple. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, head to the Runway website and sign up for an account. It's a quick sign up, and they have a free plan with starter credits. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard of AI tools. Don't get overwhelmed. Find the one labeled Generate Videos or Gen-2. Click into Gen-2 and you'll see a big prompt box center screen. This is your prompt box, where the fun begins. You have two main choices here. Start with text, or start with an image. Upload a photo to animate. For now, stick with text. Fastest way to see results. Let's try a simple prompt. In the text box type, a golden retriever puppy chasing a butterfly in a sunny meadow. After you type your prompt, hit the Generate button. The AI will take a moment to think and process your request. Voila! It will present a brand new 4-second video clip of a puppy in a meadow. It's that easy. Now, if you wanted to animate a photo, upload your image. Okay, so you've made your first clip. High five! Now, how do you take your creations from cool to whoa? How did you make that? 1. Be super descriptive. Don't just write a forest. Instead, try a mystical glowing forest at night with giant mushrooms and sparkling fireflies. Cinematic lighting. See the difference? More detail equals more interesting results. 2. Use camera controls. On the side of the prompt box, you'll find camera motion controls. Use these. Adding a slow pan, a zoom in, a tilt can make your video feel so much more professional and dynamic. 3. Experiment with styles. Runway Gen-2 has a bunch of built-in visual styles. Claymation, anime, old film, impressionist, and more. Playing with these styles is a great way to find a unique look for your videos. 4. Think about mood. Add emotional or atmospheric words. Serene, eerie, joyful, dystopian. They change lighting, colors, and vibe. Remember that AI generation is a creative process, and sometimes your first result won't be perfect. That's totally okay. If you don't love the first video, tweak your prompt a little and generate it again. Each small change can lead to a completely new and better outcome. Go ahead, sign up, and start directing your very first AI movie. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more AI tutorials.